And here we go. We're live. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna be doing live crypto market analysis and then strategy development. So what we see here, see market is going down. Uh, what we predicted was yeah. So in Bitcoin, what's the Bitcoin? Anyway, okay. So anyway, let's see the live chart here. Okay. So this chart is on 1 minute. Let's go to the 15 minutes and see what's going on there. Okay, so the prediction that we made was, on Bitcoin, it's like we are here, okay, on this point, right? So when we go on 4 hour, we see the story there that it's getting ready to go down, because see, I mean, it's obvious when you look at the higher time frame, okay? That's why the story is not complete when you look at the lower time frame. So, it's like here you can see yep. Okay. So we can see here that it's like in 4 hour we came down, and as like we are going on this EMA, it's like we have to guard ourselves, yep. So here we it's like accumulation was there. So now it's actually on like 4 hour, it's like bearish structure. Okay. The only thing that's like different is like it was holding the line and like making higher low higher high. See, higher low higher high. I mean, there, but like from this perspective, it's like making higher low higher high, and then it came down. So we are looking for the reaction as well there. So what's gonna happen next? What do you think? Okay, so let's analyze this. What already happened? It's like, see, saw this going on that support, staying on that support, came down, double bottom, and like as it went up, and again it's gonna come back to support, and then go from there. So see, it touches there and then goes from there. So that's the strength of that support. And as we went above this EMA, all this came back, that's our backing up action, and that's where we went up, and again we came down here, again touch this support. So let's see what's going to happen. That's why I look at the chart and I see it, so I'm gonna go to the chart and show you. Bitcoin, yeah. So Bitcoin, okay. So here what we see is um, so here we are going up wave, down wave, up wave. So like what I told you, as it's gonna come back, to the value area, that's where we are looking to go long, so it is already in the value area, so this is a good time to like buy Bitcoin. It's like it's very cheap price now, so not that very much, but like just for short term trade, taking on like scalp. This is not a financial advice though, it's just like my prediction. I mean, I see it as a game. Trading is like literally a game, so yeah. Yeah. So change of character, pullback, long, change of character, pullback, we would have like long that, and as we have done that, it's like came down this. So that's also like, it's went down. So if this, I think this is a change of character, this is going to be a change of character. So if it pulls back around here, then I'm looking to go short. Otherwise it comes back like this and then goes like this, then I'm gonna take to look for long trade. So long and short, they goes on the like both, in the same way. It's just like the timing that matters, that separates them. Okay, so yeah, so that was Bitcoin. Okay, so we are really on the edge here. See what is happening. It's like we break down from here, and break down, and we made like big candles, because there was like stop loss order there. So it's like taking all these stop losses out. It's like a bull trap. So as we come here, this is like all the values are combining here, see, this is where it's like large order get kicked in. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I think we should long here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the demo account and long this. Okay, long for the Bitcoin. So okay, so demo account, okay, so here's my demo account. I had already deployed Bitcoin on sideways for testing. It made like profit of $1,000. Right now the position is like, you know, negative 98. So yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the trading. We are doing scalping. Okay, so select Binance futures. We got $2,000 here. Now let's select isolated, 5x leverage. Yeah, and then we trade the market. So on 15 minutes, you know, it's like yeah, let's do a buy long market order. I want the 50% of the asset, so like, yeah, buy long. Yep, so our order got filled. So let's see, got our order there. Take profit. Yeah, we can add it later on. Just like if I have like take profit, no, it's like I would do it there. Stop loss would be here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so that's let's move on to the different one. So here we entered long to see, and what we are hoping, I mean what we are like, we are analyze like, even if it's gonna go up or down, no, we don't really care. It's just like I'll tell you. Okay, so like we entered here, okay, long. If it goes like this, we're gonna take some profit here, some profit here, some profit here. But in any case, if it's like goes like this, we're gonna take our stop and we hit and we like call it a day. Okay, just like yeah, we take our stop and we wait for the pullback to come back here, and then we short there. Okay, so that's our like strategy there. Okay, so I already punched the trade. You know, let's see how it goes. So we're just testing. So like this is the strategy that that I built in the morning. You remember you suggested it. So yeah, it's like, see, the signal is like good, you know. Yeah, so we can, what we can do is like I can create like long and short trade trigger, run the back test between data. So this is like visual back testing, but like we can see the number as well, and then like, you know, we can deploy it in live market as well. So yeah, let's do it. So okay, So this was the code, previous code. Okay, now I'm just gonna like copy it and then say the name as like okay. Now yeah, so here what the strategy is basically so like I mean it's lagging, right? Is the video lagging? Sorry, I see different screen in my sorry, okay. Oh yeah, it's not lagging anyway. So yeah. So here it's like what was the strategy? It was this, right? So we have this, you know, so like whenever there's like see this, right? So when the market comes around like EMA 50, EMA 50, 100, below that, and the percentage or like this width shrinks, basically like it goes below 0 or something, less than that, then like percentage of it, then we enter short basically, right? So yeah, that's the strategy, right? Now what I did for that condition is like I use this. So yeah, see, when the low of that candle is like less than 50, so just imagine the condition is like this: 50, EMA 50, 100, 200. Okay, now as the candle goes down like 50, and 50 is above 100, 100 is, and 50 is about 200, and the percentage width is like less than 0.1%, it's less than 10% basically. Okay, so we enter long there. Okay, so that's the condition, and when you reverse it, it's like for the for short trade. Okay, so I'm gonna go there and remove all this first. What? Okay. So reload the window. See, we entered this trade with the system, and with analysis, with correct analysis, you will be making money, and like that's what we did here. So let's see how it goes. The trade decision I made is like, if it goes below this my stop loss, I'm gonna exit the trade. My first target is like around here, second is here, third is there. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. All right, so we are here. I'm gonna change it to EMA and Bollinger Band strategy. Bollinger Bands with strategy. Okay. Now we're gonna how did you like set it for the time frame? Like how was it? Like give me the time frame, multiple time frame that you wanted to test on actually. So it's like 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, right? So the system that I write there now is like it's actually on just purely on 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, so like I was actually like thinking that like um, something like in 4 hour you see the weight bands, Bollinger bands, and then like on 15 minutes you actually like see the EMA condition. So that's actually like you know you see the overbought oversold is like overbought and oversold. That's what we are like. Even if we are using like Bollinger percentage width, no, that's what we are seeing. That's what we are measuring. So um, yeah. So this strategy, yeah, we can apply it on 1 hour, 4 hour, and like let's see. Okay, I'm gonna show you on all the time frame. Okay. So if this loads, yeah, why it's not loading though? Okay. Hmm. Is there something running on the background? I don't see it. You know? Sorry, guys. It's just like it actually happens in algorithmic trading a lot. Extension this, extension that. Come on. Yeah, I think we loaded it up. So okay. Yeah, yeah, we can do that. So like if I show you the trade setup on lower time frame, no, it's like I mean, why is it not loading? What is the problem here? Anyway, let's continue on the prediction. Let it load. I think, yeah, it's taking a bit more time. Yeah. So, Bitcoin, Doge. We had dot. Dot was like dot, like really went up. You know. So, I mean, later on, what I'm gonna be doing now is like we'll be having like we'll go through like this. Okay, the chart, 1 day chart. We'll first analyze the 1 day chart every day. You know, 1 day, 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart, and then 15 minutes, and then like go to 5 minutes, and then on 1 minute. So this is the loop that we're going to be working on, and let me show you what I want to do interactively, which will help us to so that's what I'm trying to do, bro. It's like yesterday it was loading, but now it's like, hang on, I'm gonna connect it again, connect to it, perhaps it might load up. So here what I'm gonna do now, I wanna run the chart on 1 minute and like see its every move for the next 1 or 2 hour. Why you might think we should do this? It's like I mean, this is how the chart works. This is how the market like goes. It doesn't like, we don't look at the like very left and make decision. No, we look at the right, what is happening on now, like what is happening now. So if I see it correctly, and like so see, we moved on from like daily. See this daily time frame, we made this for 4 hour, still holding this support. 1 hour, still holding this support. 15 minute, still holding this support. Okay, now and this support doesn't just comes from just like support or resistance for sake of that. It actually comes from the Wyckoff methodology. Okay, I think it's ready. Yeah, so it's here. So like we use old charts data and find what happened last time when scenarios changed to maximum. Okay, yeah, so see, this is the simulation I ran. So see this time, you see October 2, 2nd, 3rd. So all these noise like from, this is historical testing data, which I ran. So here you can see it's like December 22, 31st, and all this stuff. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check it again. Okay, so how we want to do it is on this trading system. Now why wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm just surprised why wouldn't it like yeah. What the heck, this hasn't happened before. What is going on? Anyway, I think I know what to do. So let me do that while we talk about the chart. So just I'm gonna like restart the machine which is deployed on the cloud. So see, everything is deployed here. So like I'm gonna stop it and then start it again. Yep. So let's get that out of the way. What I wanna do here is just like do live prediction, man. Yeah, it's awesome, you know. So here on Bitcoin chart, okay, what I wanna do is like see this happen. So I'm gonna draw some lines, okay, here. So we will be seeing the trades on this range, right? So what we are expecting here, no, is like see, so from here we made this jump, okay. So this was selling climax, automatic rally, and then like secondary test here, up thrust action, we're coming down like this, okay. Now what is going to happen, and there's two things that can happen, okay. So first, either it's gonna go like up and go like this, or it will probably, so as we have this trend line, okay, it's trying to break it, so it's gonna go down and it's gonna come back there and then go short. So that's like, and then this might go like this, okay, short. So right now this the trend line has been broken, so it's coming around here. So we'll see some activity around here, okay, and then we'll see what to do from there, because like it's already like, see, it's taking out the stop loss order that people might have put there. So it's gonna come here, and then we'll see the moment what's gonna happen next, okay. From my system, no, it's not really like AI system. It's like just AI is like it's put onto like name. AI is like means artificial intelligence. Like people don't recognize that we have more intelligence that AI who's making the decision. So the see, it's going to there. So what I did know is like I wrote this code, like, you know, decoding. I learned from more than 1,000 courses on like, you know, paid courses on trading, and this is what I saw, that like, you know, Wyckoff methodology is like, this is how the market works. So I wrote the code for it. It's like code is more than 50,000 lines of code. So call it AI, non-AI, it doesn't really matter. The thing is like, this is how the market works basically, you know. And like I would yeah, I try to build AI, so like I would trust human for making the decision of taking trade more than AI basically right now, because like there's a lot of data and like variables that AI can't really like recognize, you know. So I mean, I build AI, so I know this, like, you know, from the ground up. I tested it with real money and like everything, okay. So I can tell you for sure that like AI can't scale that much. That's the problem with trading. Like, you know, this system I built is like, it can work on any time frame. It can work on any security. For AI, you know, you have to like test, you have to train for every different like coin, every different time frame. It's like, it's not generalized, you know. Yeah, but anyway, just to put that thing into perspective, you should build AI that read charts and will suggest there is this much percentage of change. This will happen according to past results. Yeah, I've already done it in the past. It's just like the way you're saying, no, is like chart means like get the chart, picture of it, you know, picture of it, and then like send it to AI. and then like guys, give me one moment, okay? Sorry guys. Yeah, market has emotions too, you know. That's really good point that you caught up. So basically it's like, see man, I mean, I actually like the way I see it no is like this, okay? I'll show you. I mean, most of the time what we see is no what the market is like we tell ourselves like this is the market, you know, but this is not the market. This is the market. I'll show you on Bybit, actually. So, I mean, it's not totally. I mean, people actually like blame emotion for it, you know. It's like for their own decision. Like people at last, it all comes to emotion, you know. Like anything is like governed by emotion. The trade you execute, the trade you're not executing, stop loss, take profit. It's all emotion, man. Okay. So anyways, like see, when we like teach in YouTube and everything is like so they say like this is the market, but it's not right. Okay, this is the market actually. You see, it's like bear and bulls are like, you know, just punching order, and like this is how you're like getting you know, they are like literally executing trade in real time. And when you see the depth of the market, and like, you know, you can see the depth of the market, how far they go. Okay, this is where the trade is happening right now, and you can see the depth of the market is like this much high on the sell side, and this one like on the buy side. And this dynamics, no, this actually like changes in real time. You see it's changing in real time. There are more sellers than buyers, and then there will be sometime there will be more buyers than sellers. And this is what we call order book. Okay, so yeah, so when people say no, like this is the market, they are not completely right. They are actually like wrong. Okay, to much extent. You know, you want to know why? Because this is historical data. This has already happened. Okay, now whatever is happening, no, here to here, it's just like it's a price discovery. It's a price discovery phase. Okay, it's a price discovery phase. Okay, and what happened now is like when we see over time, what we will see, like if I see from here to here and like draw the volume profile. Hang on, I'm gonna draw the volume profile. It's saying, yeah, market has emotions too. Price action with emotional drama, like bull and bear trap, hurting people's sentiments. Yeah, and our goal should be to behave like machine, to be profitable with understanding of emotions. Yeah, that's correct. Understanding emotions, that's where AI fails. Yeah. We should focus on good RR rather than trying to capture everything and predict everything. Yeah, that's for sure. So that's why, like, you know, in order to test is like you just like go to indicators, go to community, and like you see all these indicators. Okay, now I'll bet you one thing. Okay, see, all these indicators are like when I type like Wyckoff. Okay, most of the indicators are logged. You see, I mean, most of the every indicators is like logged. You gotta ask yourself why is that? You know, why are they locking it? Why are they not like sharing with the public? It's because from the same reason. Okay, it's because this thing, no, this is how market works. Basically, there's 3 law of it. You know, first law of Wyckoff methodology is like supply and demand. Second is cause versus effect. Oh my, this pen, man, I'm really angry at this pen. And third is like effort versus result. Okay. Now, when you show me chart, I can tell you, like, what is happening, where the cause is building, where's more supply or demand, and like, and this and that and everything. That's the half of the story. So that's where, like, we're not trying to predict the market, but in order to understand it, we do need quite a bit of everything to, like, understand the market. After understanding the market, that's when our job comes in. Like, let's execute the trade. Now, I didn't say like predicting the market. Let's execute the trade, because, like, it's like my system is 80% correct and 20% wrong. So yeah, there's that. But like, in most of the cases, what's happening is, like, uh, even if you're like predicting the market, you're gonna basically have to like execute the trade. That's where the market order goes in, and this is what you see basically. Okay. So now, like, just from the eyeball, it's like, see, there are more sellers than buyers. Now it's balanced. Okay. So, like, we can see that price changes, that buyer are taking it down, up, like, and like, so you see this is like, I'm actually like running this on Binance. So Bybit might be I mean, it actually goes the same for all of them. But anyway, the thing is, like, I told you, like, when the market was here, that if it's gonna go down, like, it's gonna come down here, like, pull back, and then go down around here. Okay. But like, yeah, so we already like came around here, accumulated it. So here we saw the doji. It's like, so let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. I think, like, if you wanna like trade, it's like we can take the trade here. So yeah, so trading should be like sniping, wait for your setup, sniping, yeah, to form, wait for confirmation, entries with stop loss, and take profit. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah, guys. So that's I mean, that's the basically, like, see, when we trade, it's like, all the years we struggle with trade plan. Where is my trade plan? Why not just like get one like rule set up and just follow it for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, and just follow this stuff. That's why, like, what I'm gonna be doing now is like, we're gonna build some strategy on this channel, and then I'm gonna like build one Telegram, like, Telegram bot. So like, I actually like already did it before, so I'll show you guys. So yeah, you see this, sorry, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but like this Telegram now is like, I already deployed it, and like, that, so that we can test this really good. Yep. So speaking of keeping things simple, let's try and code that that we were doing. We will be doing optimization, coding it, seeing the chart as well. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yeah. So yeah, so did it started? Sorry, I'm actually starting my Google Cloud instance so that I can log in to the machine. Yep, that's done. Visual Studio Code, got it. SSH. Yeah, it's gonna change. config, open SSH configuration file, this, and just like reload the window. So we got it here. So Hexon says not every strategy is for everyone. Find a strategy that you're comfortable with. That's important. Yeah. Because like in trading now is like, I mean, nobody really knows, you know, why the market is moving in certain direction. I mean, very few people knows, don't get me wrong. It's like, that's what that 1% people that makes money, they say it. But like, you know, like take example for like Fibonacci, okay? Fibonacci is like best system. Fibonacci, okay. Now what I found now is like on online and stuff, like nobody has coded it. Like, you know, it's like dynamic Fibonacci in freak trade. So like suppose if you have like this, you know, your freak trade, your like algorithmic trading systems would automatically do the retracement calculation, and when it retraces to this point, you better like, you know, short the market, take your stop loss there and take profit around here. So that's like very simple trade which like you can make a lot of money with it, you know. It's just like very simple and it works. And like Hexon like tells it very you know, good, that like stick to the one strategy. You know, it doesn't have to be complex, this, that, what the strategy that you like, and just practice it, you know. Yeah. There is an implementation built in. Market cycle changes like season. Sometimes your strategies will work very well, sometimes doesn't mean you should change your strategy. Yeah. And also, so mastering one strategy is key to be profitable and stay disciplined with it. Strategy hopping is biggest mistake people do. Yeah, guys, this is the like, you know, this is where I kind of like agree, and kind of like I want you guys to see the future of trading as well. You know, it's like, just imagine 10 years ago, you know, like we didn't had much in algorithmic trading industry. You know, like people were also like people who were doing like technical analysis. You know, trading you didn't existed 15 years ago or something. So like, you know, this thing that like we are doing, technology is moving very fast. You know, people are getting into AI, this, that. But the thing is that says simple in the market is the market itself. Okay, the auction, it's an auction. Okay, and if for any auction you need buyers and sellers to interact, and when they interact, that's when the market gets created. So you know, this season cycle, that's why people says like, you know, in market there's like new data coming every time. It's because of the same reason, because it's changing. People are changing, you know, every day there's some new trader executing the trade, you know, opening their account, just waiting for to blowing it up, you know. It's just how it like works. Anyway, the thing is that very important that we were talking about now is yeah, any trader just stick to one system and then you can make good money, you know. Yeah, definitely. So let's do that. Let's code it. Code the strategy of Bollinger Band, and that you know, so Bollinger Band, moving average, and we're gonna combine it in the strategy. So the strategy looks like this. We have this and we have this. Okay, so see retracement back there, and then it's gonna go down there. So from this strategy on 1 minute chart that I'm looking here, our sell order would be around here, right? This will be our sell order, isn't it? Hexon, let me know if it is right. Okay, so this is above 1, and this goes above I don't know, it's like EMA 100. It is above EMA 50, and like all these are like swinging in the same direction. So like that's for short entry. Yeah. So so here it's clear that like when all these lines, so 100 is below 200, 50 is below 100, and if one candle, like if the candle goes above 50 and it stays between 200 and 50, and this guy goes above, then that's a place to short. Okay, so there's a lot of condition I just listed there. We're gonna go through each of them. Now it's just that like why I like algorithmic trading is it's like you can analyze the whole data in just like 1 hour or something, but I truly like the hybridmic side of it. It's like combining human and machine and then trade, so that you can make better decision. So that's where I would like to be trading with alongside the machine anyway. So breaking support or resistance should be a trigger. Okay, how do you mean like breaking support or resistance would be a trigger? Because I mean, we can code the support or resistance there, but like here is the support or resistance is like literally a EMA, so if it goes below the EMA while it is there, then we can say that like short trade. Yeah, so this one is like not opening for some reason. Anyways, like I'm gonna code it here though. So see, I already got the EMA here. I'm gonna get the 200 EMA. Okay, and then what we need is like B bands. So PDTA dot B bands close length 20, and then we get so DF B bands dot column 0 is like your middle. Yeah, so okay, so DF dot B bands middle 1 2 lower upper, and 4 is like your revet percentage B width. Okay, so I got the indicators. Now let's populate the condition. So here, right, long trade. What I want to do on the long trade now is like when the 20 is greater than 50 and 50 is greater than 100 and 100 is greater than 200, then it's in uptrending market. Okay, now if we reverse this, then that's a downtrending market, and that's what I have already done it. Okay, so in this system what we want is like we want to first check if we are in uptrend image. Yeah. I already used quite a lot of AI generated images for live streaming as well. So yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna use this a lot, AI stuff. So EMA3 system is like uptrending. Okay, now what I want now is like I want that first see. Yeah, sounds good, man. Daily thumbnail, new thumbnail. I mean, generating images like easy. Yeah, yeah, we can do that. So EMA3 system uptrending. So now it's in uptrending. So what I want, see, I checked that. See, this is what I was like telling you guys. You know, it came down, retracement, and then from there it went down. You see this? That's what, like, you know, when I teach you guys about Wyckoff methodology, you will see like every move, like why this moves is occurring, you know. So yeah, I mean, all these institutional traders, they use Wyckoff methodology. So anyway, so what I want is like, as I mean, uptrend, you know, this, so this is my uptrend. If the market dips down like this, you know, below 0, so I want to, so like check if my B bands percentage B width is less than 0.0. Yeah, yeah, you can say that it's like, it's basically like ending of lower high, lower low, and figuring out top and bottom, you know. Yeah, you're right. So B bands, this less than 0, and what we want to see is like if my candle is below, so it's like 50, 100, 200, 100, 50, 20, so like it should be below 50, you know. So like low is less than equals to EMA 50. Okay, I got that. Now I just replicate the same thing in this one. So instead of uptrending, I want it downtrending. Width should be greater than, yeah, I'm gonna tell you. So this, now we're gonna like test it on data. So like you know, we're gonna be running simulations. So like take last 3 years of just like 1 year of data, you know, and then we're gonna run back test on it to see if our condition is right. And then we can also, like, you know, put stop loss, take profit, run some, like, you know, optimization to optimize the parameter. Yeah, all this stuff. So what's informative pairs doing? That's really good, helps save a lot of time. Yeah, testing time. Yeah, bro, that's why, like, you know, like people pay a lot of money for it. So I mean, it's not for no reason, you know. Yeah, so what I did now, I'll show you guys what I did here. So to show you that okay. So long stop loss, short stop loss, I'm going to explain you what is that. And then just ignore everything, is just like profit target. What you are asking, what is informative pair is doing there? Don't worry, it's doing nothing there. I mean, informative pairs we use for, like, to get the data for different time frames. Okay, so now we can actually, like, you know, so I'm gonna show you, like, I'm gonna show you guys, give you a link as well, and you can go to the link and, you know, access this as well. So 20, 50, 200, purple, and then I don't want SAR. I do want the subplot to be Bollinger Bands, percentage B width. Okay, so yeah, so here I want B bands percentage B width, color should be gray, and I want two lines as well, 1 and 100. So line 1 and line 0. So line 1, see, and like we can also add RSI, everything. It's like when you put things, so then you basically like try to see that like, okay, what can be done, you know. Line 0, this is like green. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it just like, I mean, I'm gonna run it right now. It's like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, so let's deploy it and see it for ourselves. Yeah, this is a bit annoying today though. This SSH thing is like port forwarding this and that. Anyway, so we got here okay, so source freak trade, what is happening here? Anyway, so here we are. I'm going to activate the environment, you know, money farming. So now here what I want to do is like freak trade strategy, money farming. What is this machine is like, come on. Yeah, that's why like, you know, I'm gonna run this simulation in my computer later on, so I don't really have to rely on cloud computing, you know. But anyway, yep. So source freaktrade.bnv.bin.activate. I got that. Yeah, so now freak trade strategy, money farming. See, this is what it's like been doing. Anyway, I'm just gonna like, you know, I'm gonna deploy it from terminal, so that's gonna be way easier. So SSH Ajay at, hang on, yeah, now it's easier. So I go to money farming, and from here free trade strategy, money farming, user data. Hang on, I gotta go to money farming as well. So my user data is here, right? So I can do free trade strategy, user data strategies. What was the strategy? This strategy name is this. Sorry. So I just need the directory name. I got the directory. So strategy, that's actually, hang on, that's actually like strategy path. Strategy is this, you know. It's been a while since I ran this. Anyway, config path, config. So here I have some config files. Yep, config.json just on the money farming. Config.json. And if I see this one, the side here, and let's just deploy it, man. So see, it's running, right? Yeah, we can use ChatGPT for coding. In fact, like I did coded it with ChatGPT before, you know, but it's just that like you can't really assemble things with ChatGPT. You need to know something. Yeah, but after basic know, it's like, yeah, you can do it with ChatGPT, but not that. Yeah, just know that like it won't make the strategy that ChatGPT will give. You know, it's not that much of. It hasn't thought much while producing that strategy. So you know what I mean. So like it's just like spitting out something. You know, it's just like, yeah. Sorry, bro. It's like AI. Like when you talk to someone who like built AI before, like, you know, all this stuff, they will have like different response. The people who don't really know about AI, like built it, no, it's like they will just say it is possible with AI. No, it's like, but like the trading thing, no, that's the only thing that AI can't like conquer right now. You know, it's like, yeah, even in foreseeable future. So yeah, but like we can do a lot of brainstorming with it for sure. Yeah. So what's the problem here is like I'm getting an error because I have series dry run is enabled, deprecated will raise value. This has t-type incompatible with float64. Please explicitly cast it to compatible types first. It is just warning, but the error that I'm getting is this not found invalid token. Yeah, and where is it? Telegram. So I gotta go and fix that Telegram stuff. So just like, you know, set it to false right now. We will deal with it later on. You guys want to see the ChatGPT that he wrote the code yesterday? Hang on, I'll show you guys. What I just disabled it on Telegram. It's not even saving. What? Are you kidding me? That's why, you know. Anyway. Hmm. See, I actually asked this ChatGPT to trade this code this strategy for me, you know, and it did good. It did, really good job of it. So, yeah. Anyway, um, yeah. So as it's running, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to that. Yep, this website. I think you guys can also follow along if you want. It's like so. Okay, there's some problem there. Why is that? Hmm. 8080. It's running on 8080. Sorry. So, yep. Hang on, I'm gonna change it to 718071 and then deploy it. Eight zero seven one. Nah, bro, it's like I've been already running a lot of it. No, it's see, I'll show you one. I've been running this. Yeah, it's just like this is this one that I'm running. You see this one, right? This is actually like running on this one. So I'll show you. This one is like, messing up something, and if the thing that we can do is like we can basically run the back test. So so see this one is like running on its own, okay, this system, and this is where like I'm getting the chart. You see this, to show you why is that, no, see all this chart I'm getting from there. So see this IP, and like see this IP address is the same one that I'm running, and like it's been doing quite well. Yeah, anyway, it's just like you can access this stuff and like do a lot of stuff though. Yeah. Trading is much simpler. Yeah, I can relate to that, but like once you get hang of it, no, it's like you can really fucking decode the market with coding if you know how to do it. It's like when I see some chart, no, I don't see this setup, that setup. I see the code running in my mind, basically. Like I can code it. Yeah. yeah, I was running the bot. I actually closed it. Yeah, it's here. This one. So Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yeah, so this is where, so this is based on 15 minutes, right? So this is actually, this is where I'm getting all my chart. So see, all this chart is actually coming from there. So yeah, I mean, just for only to build the chart, no, I wrote around like more than around 8,000 lines of code. Yeah, so it's basically like building your own trading view. Yeah, don't worry guys, though, I'm gonna teach you everything though. Yeah, bro, that would be hilarious. It's like yeah, piano music. Yeah, I think I was thinking of putting some music on the background. Yeah, you know what, let's do that. You guys like lofi music? Good. Okay, so now I think we can just go ahead and run the test. Yeah, too much volume. How about now? It's good. I'm gonna like, is it good now? I think it should be good now. How about now? It's good? Yep, I think, yeah, it is. Okay, so let's run the back test. Okay, fake trade back testing strategy. EMA and Bollinger bands with strategy. Config.json. Is it like 15 minutes? And config, yeah, is 1 hour, so I'm gonna do 15 minutes. It's not really like saving though. Time range 2024 0101. Pairs, I want the Bitcoin pair. So yeah, so what it's gonna do now is like it's gonna run the backtest from beginning of the year 2024 for Bitcoin, and time frame we want now is like 15 minutes. So let's see. Okay, because I forgot to give it a strategy path. User data strategies. What do you guys like, you know, wanna, I mean, if so, like there's a lot of strategy in internet. Okay, okay, yeah, this and like TradingView strategy tester, no, it's like there's very big difference. First of all, TradingView, like it literally the first time when you like run test, no, it's like it doesn't count the fee. In this one, it's like every test you run, it counts the fee and everything is like you will see. But like in TradingView, you know, it's like you can't do much with TradingView. I've done it, like, you know, Pine scripting and all this stuff. The thing with TradingView that like you can't really test is like ideas, you know. It's like algorithmic trading system is like, the people have the concept of algorithmic trading system is like some rule, some rule, this or that, or something. And on on TradingView, what you have in TradingView is like, it's just like, it's made for very simple, to keep it simple. But when you have the raw data, open, high, low, close for yourself and volume and stuff, and with Python you can do a lot of this, that, build mathematical model, probability, machine learning. Like, you can do machine learning in TradingView. So it's like, there's one answer for that, why using this one is better. But like, TradingView also has its advantage. It's like, the thing is like, when I haven't shown you guys everything. Like, over time I'm going to show you the work I did like for the past 4 years, and I've been doing like, the one thing that I can show you is like this, right now. But when you see the code of it, it's like, it's more than 50,000 lines of code, just this one strategy. Okay. And I built libraries for everything, like Fibonacci, dynamic support and resistance, dynamic trend lines, volume profile, pretty much, Can't you write a code that you paste in TradingView and upgrade their strategy tester? They have updated it with library and stuff. The thing is like, even if you like deploy it with TradingView, you still need the API and trade alerts and all this like stuff to funnel your order through the, to the exchange. It's just like, you'll see what I mean. You can do on TradingView though, but it's just like in TradingView you can do the real analysis that we are doing here. So, free trade backtesting strategy. Yeah, Python is very much flexible. Yeah, guys. If some of you are like, beginning, I'll tell you, it's like, you can build like really lot of stuff in Python, because, like one guy literally, like David Wise and all this, like Wyckoff and, big trader, they would, when I was learning from them, they will tell you that like, no algorithmic trading, no one can build this Wyckoff methodology system. There's too much variables, there's too much that and this and that, like, but when you really built in Python, it's like, I made it fast. It's like, you can deploy it on 1 minute time frame. Tell me one, like, have you seen any trading bot who can like, you can deploy it on 1 minute time frame? People don't even touch that time frame. Why? Because like, there's a lot of like noise, this, that, so, but once you have the right system, that like, it's gonna work. Yeah. So config.json, 15 minutes. Man, this error thing is it's not making sense to me. Good. 15 seconds is, if you're doing on 15 seconds Indian market, man, that's like really, really good. Yeah, I haven't downloaded the data. Yeah, but the thing is like, the thing is with the lower time frame is like, you can really like snipe your entry, Yeah, I know, it's like, but the sniping entry is like really good on this one. It's just like when you go on lower time frame, no, that you see the market very with the like, you know, zoomed in version with the closed eyes, so you can really scalp there. Yeah, for sure. So yeah, lowest stop loss for sure. Yeah, guys, I mean, that's what, like, you know, I mean, most of the time it's not much about your trading strategy, just like first part of it. Most of the time what we trader do know is like risk management, you know. So I hope there was not a single trade for some reason. Yeah, 2 to 4 stop loss in one options. Yeah. Okay, so there is something, value count is 0. Why is that? I'm getting the data right. So TF, B bands, this uptrending. I want to see the data. Yeah. It's actually like became a taboo because like nobody wanna believe it, you know. It's like they wanna, when you come to trading, man, it's like everything that we learn, no, like when we enter the trade, then like we basically like doubt ourselves, you know, and that's where most of the people fail, you know. It's like this psychological aspect of it, but technically speaking, it's not much of that, you know. It's like that's why I got into. That's why I like algorithmic trading, you know. It's like you can show it to people, that like you can show the data to them, you know, this shit works, you know. Even if you don't believe it, I'm gonna show you, like, you know, you can see it from your eyes, you can see the numbers, you can see the trade if you don't want to believe it, you know. And then like when you show all this stuff to the people, you know, then they understand, oh yeah, now I see what you mean, you know. Yeah, higher time frame is still gonna like is still gonna stand strong, because like that's where the liquidity gets decided, like, you know. It's literally every day these big institutional traders, they do you think they're looking like at 1 minute chart or 10-minute chart? No, they're looking at higher time frame, one daily chart or 4-hour chart, or take the 8-hour chart where like our interest rate gets decided for, you know, for leverage and stuff. So like higher time frame, it's really the deciding factor of where the high and lows of your, you know, support or resistance, the higher big picture is gonna be. Yeah, so I think yeah, that's why it was. Yeah, I'll show you why. Okay, I'll show you why. You see this, so you see this chart, right? So you see this candle, no? That's actually like 4-hour candle. So I actually like overlaid it on 15 minutes time frame. So when you overlay stuff, no, then you see the pattern actually. I mean, there is pattern repeating itself in the market, okay? So like so see this is actually like 4-hour candlestick, okay? You can see the low and high of it. This is also like 4-hour candlestick. So when you overlay it, no, then you like see the pattern. So for instance, like here, no, we already saw that, like, you know, it was going up, and like when it come down, and like here, see, it made like on 4-hour it made very small candle, and like the close of the market is below that like close, you know. So like even if it's like and the down wave is already started, so like from here, no, it's like it's decided that we're going to go down, and like where were you gonna like go around here. And if I zoom there, no, you'll see that like to pinpoint accuracy is like it literally goes till there. See that wick here, you know. So if we had like long trade here, we would have taken profit there. This long trade, if we had taken from this trade, we would like compensated, and like, you know, on short side we would have made profit till this point. So, you know, it's like when you play the game from this perspective, you know, you don't really care what's long and short is. It's just like follow the rule, we make money. Yeah. Okay, so let's move back to our here. Yeah, so now it's like trading. So I'm gonna take it, show the 7-1. Why it's not loading, I don't understand. Okay, so see, this one is running. This is the strategy that we are running. Okay, so I'm gonna tell it like EMA and Bollinger Bands strategy. What's the password for it? Yeah, money farming. So guys, so forex, crypto, each market has its own nature to move same on technicals, but has their personality to each of them. Yeah, to be honest, yeah. So see this, check this out. This is the strategy that you suggested, okay? So see here we get long, and like now we can see it, like, you know, if I apply it all indicator, we can see the indicator why it's like taking long or short. So check this out, okay? This trade, right? Here I want you to see the value of B bands, okay? And it is minus, you see, it is minus. So see, I'll show you, okay? Yep, check this out. Hexon, this is for you, bro. So you see this value, that is negative, right? So that's basically our B band. See, that's our B bands, negative. Here all these lines were like, you know, in uptrending. So as the market dipped down, we bought it, you know, and place the stop loss there. So I'm gonna run some back test on it, and like and we'll see, okay? So yeah, so you can see it here as well. You know, there's like a lot of false positive here. See this one, this one, this one, this one, and also like yeah, around here as well. So what I'm gonna just run the basic test, and then from there we can, like, you know, optimize it basically. So this is our, yeah man, like this is, I mean, you haven't seen the whole picture of it. When you see it, no, and then oh fuck man, it's really cool. Yeah, so false positive, you know, that's where like confluence comes in. You know, it's like we have to do so just by looking at it. How would I remove it? No, see, it's like I mean, moving average, all this stuff, no, they have lagging, okay? Now everything that I built on this one, no, on this one, this system it's a leading indicator. So so people in internet, they will every one of them, every single one of them, they will teach you lagging indicator. Okay, yeah, but they know there's something called like leading indicator. My pen is not working. You know, leading, which actually like tells you that price is gonna lead to that direction. You know. Yeah, bro, it's really cool. Don't worry, man. You know, it's like I'm gonna upload a lot of video on YouTube. You know, teach people how to do algorithmic trading as well, and like I'm building my own business around this, like live crypto trading courses. So you know, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that as well. So don't worry about that. Yeah, so that leading strategy, you know, that's where like lot of like you have to study a bit. So for leading indicators, no, what are the leading indicators? Can you tell me if you have something in mind, Philip? Yeah, for instance, like Fibonacci retracement is a leading indicator. Fibonacci trading. Okay. Yeah, pivot points is also a good one. Pivot points is also a leading indicator. You see this one? You see this? This is actually pivot points. You know, this is like previous day high. This is previous day low, and this is pivot. I actually have video on pivot points, like dynamic support or resistance on my YouTube channel. You guys can check it out later. Yeah, Elliott wave is also you know, leading indicator, but like big point on this one. We're gonna solve this problem later on. Gann chart is, yeah. So this is like when we talk about Gann and Elliott wave, no, then we come to projection. Okay, leading indicator is I mean, that's like is good, like projection retracement, but in Gann and everything, you know, we do basically like projection of, you know, we project it. I learned it from you. Yeah. The pivot point, I mean, yeah, man, it's really good. I mean, I will tell you everything about it later on. It's like I'll show you this one. Okay, you see this one? You see this, right? Wide CPR compression, higher value bullish. This actually like pivot points, no, this gives you bias. Okay, bias. So like for instance, once you build the bias, no, then you can like trade it from that perspective. So first of all, you got to see that like I mean, the most leading indicator that everyone we miss now is this. You see this? This is the most leading indicator. I mean, it actually makes me laugh, you know, because I mean, I would also like for 1 or 2 years I would just focus on indicator, this, that. I didn't look at the sessions, man. Like, you know, we are people, like markets are governed by people. So, you know, it's like Asian market, London session, and then New York session. Most of the trade entry, it happens on New York session and London combined. So, yeah. So Philip is saying, I think they are all points of confluence. They might help for different purposes. Fib and Elliott are mostly for order placement. Yeah, the session opens. Yeah, so, you know, so I mean, the best way I will tell you to like get the picture of market in your mind is to think of river. Okay, think of a river. So you see this, you see all this flow, think of that as a river. Okay, and in river you have this like all this the main current, you know, the main current is in the middle where like most of the order is going. So when you're thinking that, no, I want you to think of this market as like this. Okay, from the standard deviation perspective. Yeah, so all this like 68% of them are like here. Okay, rest of them like 34, you know, around like 20 something % are like here on second standard deviation. Okay, you see this, and then third standard deviation is like the last. So this second and third, that's where the large traders are like there. Okay, but still with physical practice I'm able to read chart without any indicators now. Took 3 years to get there. Yeah, I know. I mean, bro, actually, like, you know what, why I started money farming now is for the same very reason. I mean, trading is very easy. Chart reading, all this stuff is very easy. The people only have problems when it comes to the mastering their emotions, you know, mastering themselves. You know, then the main problem arises, and like then you have fight with yourself, and you can't really make decision. So like forget all that. When it comes to like algorithmic trading, you know, you can see it. You don't have to like you know, learn to trade, practice. You still have to do it. You know, it's like once you trust the system and you are making money, you know, then there's no problem. You follow me? So yeah. So that's what that's what I'm gonna do on, like, you know, money farming YouTube channel. But anyway, let's test that system, okay? So we had long, short here. Okay, so long entry, short entry, and my stop loss is custom stop loss. It's like current rate is greater than this in the long. Yeah, okay, it's like trailing stop loss. Custom exit is like this. Okay, let's test this. Okay, let's test this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can say that with AI you have something to rely on. Yeah, bro, you know, it's like you guys will see later on what I mean. You know, it's like the indicators that you see on internet, no, it's like it's just crap basically. Like yeah, I mean, once you have the indicator that, like, you know, that's why the system I built, I call it logical algorithmic trading system. You know, it's like logical algorithmic trading system. So it's like as you were talking about higher time frame and lower time frame, you know, like my system works on the all time frame. Okay, yeah. It gives you confidence to take decision, which I had it when I started. Yeah, man, it's not that wrong, you know, far away. It's like with AI and shit, no, it's like future is gonna so much accelerate. Like we already had our like AI boom. It's just like when the economy grows, no, this boom and bust cycles, no, it's like bust cycle stays like small, you know, the drawdown, or like call it bear market, drawdown, anything. It's just like that economic cycle is like gets reduced, you know. Back in the day it used to be 3 years of bear market. Now it's like only, yeah, like last 3-4 years it was like 6 months of bear market. Now it's like almost around like 3 months, and it's reducing. Okay, I mean, why I'm telling you this, no, is like, so in the market as like fractal value, look at it, no, is like when you look at weekly time frame, you see like larger, you know, picture. You go to 1 day time frame, you see more picture, you know. It's like, and it makes sense later on. But in crypto, it's like yeah, it's boom and bust on steroids. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. I mean, the system I trade, no, is like I actually use it for you know, this DCA and grid bot. Do you know that DCA grid bot? you know. So I'll show you what I mean. This is the best way to make money, you know, with this one. So I'll show you this one, okay. Bots. So you see this one, right? So with the help of my system, like, you know, you trade it on daily time frame, and whatever prediction it gives, no. So suppose it gives you here that like it's time to go long, you go long. Do you live from trading for yourself? No, I actually like work for a company who's like who gave me job to figure this shit out, you know, like write all this. I mean, just figure out the market. I started with like solving this problem with machine learning, you know. In the college I did studied like machine learning, computer science and all this stuff. So what I figured out now is like, what I saw is that like when you learn from all these like big traders, no, it's like and then you see the market is like, the market is nothing but just a couple of orders, you know, buyers and sellers interacting with each other. And like when you see the picture, when you build the picture and you have the full picture, then you can like tell the story, okay, what it's going to do. Now that's where the speculation comes. That's when the speculation comes. So like for that speculation, no, okay, like I know that like for the next 2 months market is gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go little bit up, it's gonna go down little bit, you know, but like most of them is gonna go up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and deploy the bot, and like, you know, it's just gonna trade on its own. You know, you see all these orders, you see all these orders, this bot has already executed it. Okay, it's just like if you have the right direction, no, you can make money. Okay, see, I'll show you these orders. See this is what like high frequency trading means. Okay, so later on what I'm going to be doing now is like from the system that I built, I'm going to start like subscription service. So for instance, I'll show you what I mean. So that was on the 4 hour 15 minutes. When I show you the chart on 4 hour, no, then it makes sense that subscription service is like really gonna nail this thing, you know. See, so in that one, if you had like deployed the bot, no, here long, you would made her money. You would like have made a lot of fucking money. Why? Because see, it's just like it's trading, like 50% order is deployed here, and all the 50% no, is like it's your risk management that's going on. If it's gonna go little bit, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna buy on DCA order. If it's gonna go up, it's gonna sell with the grid order. So whatever profit you're making, it's coming in your wallet. Okay, and the position is like position size is still intact. So once all this order fill up, no, this all thing will move, and like then you reset the environment. So it's gonna make money still. Any direction it goes, just like you should be sure for the longer term. That's where the system comes in. And the best part is you can apply it to every time frame. Okay, it's like, see, yeah, every chart and like every time frame as well. So see, it's like I'm showing you all this chart, okay, and like you can see in most of them, no, you will make money. See, yeah. So that's the subscription service that I'm gonna start later on. On the June 4 hour, we got the long signal here, see, and we are going up ever since. So yeah, see this long trade setup there, long trade setup, you know. And just like and that's why like I see it from that Wyckoff price cycle. See, bull market, then bear market, you know. So if it's gonna go up, it's actually gonna go around here and then like, you know, come down. So that's a good retracement trade, I think. Yeah, it will help, yeah, a lot. Yeah, man, it's like, see, I mean, see it from the using perspective, okay. there's already a lot of like messaging apps. Okay, WhatsApp, you have Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Gmail, this chat, that chat, you know. But like why people only use WhatsApp? Because it's easy to use, you know, because they are like, you know, it's like it's in their like muscle memory. Everybody is using WhatsApp, why not, I'm gonna use WhatsApp. So it's just like once you build the product for good product now, it's like then people are gonna see the value and then they're gonna buy it. That's how you create the value basically. So you see, like in this one, no, you can apply my principle. You see, just follow this value. Okay, when the market comes around here, you know, around that point, just short it, you know, because like this is what the bias is basically. That's a dynamic bias that I'm gonna like teach you guys later on. But so it's just like there's a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys, don't worry. Yeah, for sure. That's why, like, you know, I mean, I was showing you this Telegram, right? I mean, so if you give me your Telegram number right now, no, it's like I'm gonna add you, and then you can see it for yourself that all the order that it's like executing, no, you can see it. You will get notification on your mobile basically. So that, and like with that, no, it's like I got the notification and I got my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna like tell them, okay, this is what I'm seeing, you know, you should you know, this much probability of going long, this much probability of that is going to work, and all this stuff. You're going to get the notification of Telegram. You decide whether you want to execute the order or not. You see? Yeah, I know, yeah. Yeah, but like, you know, it's like beginner is not going to be beginner all the time. You know this stuff. I mean, there's like this easy way of teaching trading, which takes like 3 years, you know, and then there's like hands-on experience of teaching trading. I mean, the thing that I'm doing now is like algorithmic trading is like, I also like was looking on YouTube 2 years ago, finding this content that I'm putting online. Nobody has it. Okay, so I saw it's like, I mean, why not I build one YouTube channel and I talk about this stuff, you know. So yeah, so like for beginners, no, I'm actually like building one course on Udemy. So I'm gonna actually target both of them. It's just like it's yeah, so this course now I'm gonna like put it later on. But like you can see, it's actually like beginner friendly. So hang on, I wanted to see it from the instructor perspective. Course landing page. So course, hang on. Yeah, I actually like yeah, I'm building a course. It's gonna be really good. You know, you see all this section, the introduction to algorithmic trading. Every beginner thought he's special. Yeah. Yeah, so still beginners have to make losses to get their discipline and emotions, ego check. Yeah, bro, but like you know, see, if you see it from historical perspective, you know, like check this out. Okay, go back to like 100 years ago when the Wyckoff methodology was developed. Okay, this method was developed, and how he developed, no, he would like go talk to these big traders, you know, Morgan Stanley, Morgan Freeman, like all these very big trader, you know. He would interview them and ask them like, how do you trade? And like he would decode, reverse engineer all this shit. And that's how all this supported resistance trend line you see, everything you see, you know, people are like giving name for their own. but this stuff, no, it came from this method, okay, Wyckoff methodology. Okay, the technical analysis, there was like 5 something guy, the pioneers of technical analysis, like Elliott, Gann, Wyckoff, Dow Jones, you can say as well. Yeah, and then like there's one more guy as well. Yeah, I know. So like what happened now is like back in the day, all the people we used to like trade based on what my, so like, you know, that's what fundamental analysis is. Later in the 70s, what happened now is like where people used to like chart it with the hand, okay, it's like, yeah, they didn't have the software or liberty that we have right now, okay, so they would like call their like broker, get the data, chart it by hand, and then do it, you know. So like when technical analysis came around, like became famous around like 70s and 80s because of this electronic computer innovation, now it's like then all the people, like literally nowadays like 99% of them are trading on technical analysis. So you know, people moved on from fundamental analysis to technical analysis, and now it's like, it's actually for me, I think it's going to stay with the hybrid form, you know, it's like human and machine. That's going to be the hybrid form of trading. That's going to be the future of it. But like to be honest, it's like mechanical system is also, you can do a lot with it. So yeah, you should add description that have real expectations with it. You're not going to be millionaire in a days. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's for sure. But like us people who have already made millions, you know, it's like yeah, and yeah, bro, it takes time, okay, everything takes time. So yeah, it will be like up to the expectation. So yeah. So let's run your back testing, okay. I know it's not gonna be yeah, but like if you can deliver on that expectation, no, then it's really good, right? I mean, every one of us has some expectation. So if we can deliver on that expectation, then it's like yeah, you know, I mean, not about the millionaire, but like, you know, with my system that I'm gonna teach, it's like you basically save a lot of time. I mean, that's the promise that I'm gonna give. And like with all the that's time you save, it's like put it on like discipline, you know, all the energy that you have, instead of like charting stuff, put it on discipline, put it on risk management, you know. Yeah, so yeah, bro, it's like, I mean, that's why, you know, even all the trading signals that you, is like you should be in the, like, you know, driving seat basically when you are punching the trade. Yeah, but like the thing that I showed you for the DCA, that like you need a lot of money to make money from that, you know. So yeah. This shit that I'm like teaching you guys know, is like telling you, I mean, in most of the big firm, trading firm, no, they do it, you know, they just don't show it to people. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like expectation, when the expectation hit the reality, no, then it makes sense for everybody. It's like, yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going to happen with the course. It's just that like now I'm going to teach the real stuff to people, you know, and then we'll see what happens. Because like I've seen on YouTube, like everywhere, it's like you can teach it way better. That's what I would say right now, okay. So yeah, the algorithmic trading is like, that's why the name I'm gonna put no later on, the advanced one is like full stack algorithmic trading. So I 15 minutes. So like right now, yeah, we're gonna see. I don't know if the result is gonna be good or not, but that's what we do, back testing, you know, we see if it's making money or not. So 105 days we are running the back test for all this time, and so this is how much it made. So you know, win percentage was 63%. It made, I mean, it's good profit. 21% is good profit. Sharp ratio was 2. Oh man, it's really good. Profit factor is good as well. Expectancy is good. Long short, yeah, long short is yeah, I mean, percentage is good. Long, we made more money on long, less on short. Yeah, that's expected. Yeah man, this strategy is performing well. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, there was like 10% drawdown, so I mean, it's, yeah, it's feasible in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's really good. So see, this is what we do, and we can also look at the trades as well. You saw the, you know, this back test. Now you can, what you can do now, we can play with it, you know. It's like I can say it's like freak trade. Plot data frame. Yeah, that's it. So it's gonna plot the data now. Okay, it's stored here. So I'm gonna go anyway. I'm gonna run some Python server here. Money farming user data plot. Yeah, this is the EMA one. Yep, this is the EMA one. Yeah, so we can actually like trade this, you know, like we can just let it run and rely on it basically. So Python 3 http.server, you know, so I'm hosting the server there. So there's our chart. Check this out. So see all the trade. Now we can go ahead and like analyze the trade as well, you know. See, short, and you know, made profit there. Yeah, so like now what we can do now is like now we can basically fine tune the model, you know. So like what I mean by fine tuning is like are you guys there? Philip and sorry, what's your name? How do you pronounce? Yeah, anyway, so so we build a strategy. Okay, this is our like strategy. Okay, now what we can do with it is we can do a lot of stuff. Now in order to run the optimization, you know, now what we can do is like we can optimize this number. Okay, what is the good number, you see? So what I'm saying, you know, is like, see, right now we are just like arbitrarily selecting a number from our analysis that we know that works basically, you know. So see here, this one, these are parameters, okay. So for this one, no, it's like, because this is how the bandwidth is gonna be. So for this one, we can actually like run it from 0.02 0.01 and then like, you know, to 0, because it's like, it's precision, no, it's like very precise. So even it's like point something different, no, it's gonna it won't like execute some decision. And here as well, it's like 1, so what comes before 1 is like 0.8, 0.9, 1. So we can like run the configuration on that one, okay. So let's see, that's what I'm gonna do here now. And that I just want to show you because Philip, I think, requested to do the, you know, optimization. So I'm gonna do it. So see here, there you have like all this parameter, right? So we're gonna get the parameter from Frictrate. We're gonna see. So here hyperopt, go to hyperopt, and all this. So let's see what different kind of parameters we have. These are the different spaces, you know. These are the parameters. So I want the int decimal, I want the decimal parameter, okay. So see, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this, go there, and like put it like this, by b bands width, percentage width, okay, and this is gonna be cell. A number I'm gonna put it, it's like this is gonna be, so for buy, no, we are looking for the downside. So this is minima and maxima. So you know, it's like in optimization you have like minimum and maximum, the traversal what you want to do. I mean, the simple and easy way I can explain, you know, is like, suppose this is some like curve, okay, in mathematics and stuff. So this curve have these values. If I ask you what's the minima value, it's like naturally you would like go down like this. That's your minima, you know, that's your minima value, minimum of y. And maxima, it can be like, if it's like this function, it can be infinity. Basically the thing is that I'm telling, you know, is like, you basically tell it a number where you wanna see the optimization. So like number means like domain, okay. Just pick a domain where you wanna see the local maxima or local minima, you know. So I hope that makes sense. Yeah. So so here it's what value should I take? So I have these number lines like 0, 1. So we are, so 0.5 is here, okay. So we are gonna buy for sell is this, for buy is this range, domain. So like from 0.8 to that, and here from maybe 0.2 here. So let's go and write it, okay. So I want it to 0. For buy, right, 0.8 to 1.0. Default is let's keep it 0.9, okay. Decimal, sorry, decimal is 1 decimal. So like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, okay. And default is like 0.9. For this one, default is 0.1, okay. So minimum is 0, and our maximum space is 0.2. Okay, so this is our I think I reversed it. So this is for buy. No, for buy we do this 0.0, 0.2, and for sell we optimize within 0.8 and 1.0. Okay, because our bandwidth is like this. This, so this is 1, this is 0. So number something here, and we optimize within that space. Look for the trade basically. Did you guys understood this stuff? Sorry. Yeah, it's over, I think 2 hours streaming. Yeah. Okay, so we got this. Now what we have to do now is like just put it there. Okay, here instead of this, now what we do is just like we come here and we change it. So instead of that, we self dot buy dot value. Okay, it's automatically gonna generate the sell b bands dot value. Okay, you can see the documentation as well. See by RSI dot value this. So yeah, what it's gonna do now is like all these conditions is gonna check the value there, and conditions is gonna append it. Okay, yeah, for sure. I'm gonna like, you know, so tomorrow we can test it, yeah, live. We should probably test it on like lower time frames, so that like, you know, one minute time frame, so that we can see more trades and like in one day, you know. So yeah, what I'll do now, I will deploy it live, and then we can look at the result tomorrow and see how it goes. Sounds good? So all these conditions basically have the value for it. Yeah, we can test it on 1 minute, why not? Let me reset the default value though. Yeah, let's use it, this one as well. So freak trade, I'm gonna test it on month of data. Okay, T1 minute config user data. Config is just like config. Okay, time range is 2023 2024. April is going on, right? So let's test it on the from 1st April. Okay, pairs Bitcoin. Yeah, the previous backtest that I ran was on 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, we've been streaming for 2 hours. So yeah, after this I'm gonna close up, and then we can look at the results tomorrow. Yeah, gold we can do that on the gold, right? I mean, this is why like I've been trading on crypto, because like getting data is super easy, testing it is super easy. With forex and all this stuff, no, it's like all this shenanigans happens. Anyway, yeah, we can test it on gold too later on though. strategy path, user data, strategies. Strategy is EMA and Bollinger Bands with strategy. Config.json. Time range 2024, 1st April. Payers is Bitcoin. Which you're talking about to get good results? What do you mean? How do you mean by that? Like, yeah, on 1 minute, it's like win rate was 55%, but it didn't made money. Yeah. Yeah, this is like for this no, it's like in 1 minute. I mean, now it's just like it's executing the trade. Okay, let me download more data. I think you will see something different. I think what you're talking about now is like how much time it takes to get results. Like what I do know is like I first like tested with me, like I punch the trade and I see, like, you know, it's like where the stop loss is going, that, this, that, because like this stop loss and take profit, no, these are the only dynamic organic thing that you can't really, like, you know, pinpoint it like 100% certainty. You can't say like market is gonna go to that point only. Okay, so from that perspective, you know, once you test yourself, you know, then you know already that okay, yeah, this makes sense now. Okay, so from that perspective, it's like within after you take quite a like trades with yourself, no, it's like with this system you get the indication of, okay, here's what I want to like enter the trade. Now you analyze it. Why? You ask why. Okay, it's 2 RR. Yeah, 1:2. Yeah, in this one it made some money for over long month of trading. Yeah. How much time it takes to get results? Yeah, more trade but less accuracy on a smaller time frame. Yeah. But how much RR is set in this testing? So right now it's like taking profit on the, like, you know, trailing stop loss of EMA 20. So I'm gonna set it to what do you want to call it, like it's actually like I mean, see the code, right? It's actually seeing if my profit is greater than 2 RR profit or not, then only, you know, trail that. So I'm gonna do like 1:3 right now, and I'll show you what it's doing. I think it's gonna perform less on 1:3. Yeah, 1:4. Yeah, we can do 1:4. In place true, short 4 RR profit target. In place true. So this is the result on 1:3. Okay, so let's test it on 4. So I'm gonna like take it off, take it down, Instead of 3, I'm just gonna put 4. And you know, and stop loss here, be in mind that like this is stop loss that I'm like using, no, is that stop candle where like where we are exiting, no, for long stop loss we are using the low of that candle, and for short is like we are using the high of that candle. So from the entry point to the low is like that's our like, you know, risk. You understand? So if I enter here, this the low, that's my risk for the long trade. Okay, now add this up, that's like 1:2, 3, 4 or something. Yeah, on 1:4 it's like win percent is really good. Okay, so you're talking about running it on 5 minutes, right? See, this is why I see what we did here. No, is like very simple. I mean, this is why I call it like this is like this is not thinking. Okay, this is not AI stuff. It's just like seeing if it's in uptrend or not. It's like bandwidth is like less than this or something, or this. Okay, just do this. Now you can't really tell a story with it. You know, it's like you can't really decode the market and tell like every single step what is going on, what can happen, you know. Okay, so for that, no, that's why you have this system. You know, from this system, like I can tell you exactly like what's going to happen. This is very easy to speculate, you know. See, it's coming down here, so this is my support. Okay, if it's gonna come down, it's gonna come down here. If it's from here, it's like you can choose whether you wanna go long, you know. Okay, now if you wanna go short, wait for it, wait for the retracement and then go short. So that's your direction. Okay, now from seeing this, you can see it like very easily with the simple moving average and Bollinger Band and stuff. It makes sense, but like you can make money in 1 week and second week you don't make money. So yeah, bro, yeah, it's really cool. So the thing is like, you know, I mean we can build lots and lots of stuff, lots of analyses that like once you build that code, no, then there's no barrier. Okay, you can apply it to any market, any time frame. Yeah, and so yeah, that's why like, you know, I'm actually in a path to making $1 million like before age 30. So you know, that's why like I'm gonna like document everything on this YouTube channel as we are going. So yeah, bro, because like I mean, in order to teach you how to become a millionaire, I have to achieve that first, you know. You understand, right? So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be like showing you guys and like telling you everything that I'm gonna do. Okay, so don't worry about it. So like from here, it's like this is good place to go long for, you know, ING here. Yeah, gap ups. Yeah, that's why I don't like you know, all this market and stuff like forex and all this stuff. Crypto market, like when I started working, you know, it's just like how to crack crypto market. I did the job on like for forex first on like building deep learning neural networks model, but like the spread is so low. No, it's like the change is so much less in forex that you can't really see that. Tell it to computer that, oh man, see, there's like a lot of change, you know. It's like it's all most of them are like correlated, you know. I mean, that's a big topic on itself, but like AI, you know, it's like nowadays you can build like really good AI system with ChatGPT and stuff. You just have to know what you want to do. One simple example I want to tell you know is like this multimodal capability of it. So Vertex AI, right, from Google, they call it Gemini. So it has like the Gemini 1.5 Pro that they released. No, it's like it has like 1 million tokens. Okay, now think about it. These tokens, no, this is the so in large language model, no, like ChatGPT, what happens there is, no, is like if you got text, you can build token with it. Token is just your input. If you got image, yeah, why not? If you got voice data, yes, it's still a data. Yeah, any form of data. That's why this multimodality comes in. So now you can imagine, you know. Yeah, bro, it's like, I mean, like over time now is, I mean, it's not just me that like trying to crack the market. It's like tons of people have tried it. Okay, it's like people are still trying it every single fucking day. Okay, so I mean, if you see it as like competition, I mean, it is a competition trading market, you know. And like after you write millions and millions of lines of code and like learning from all these experts, though, you can see that like, I mean, there is pattern repeating itself. Okay, if I take one trade in a day, every fucking day, you know, and just like then you apply the law of compounding. Okay, so then you can like, it doesn't matter what market is. It's like human are trading it, you know. It also doesn't matter like whether you're in US or UK or India. It's a people thing. Okay, it's like once more than 100 then 1,000 people they trade with each other, this is what you got, the chart. Okay, so that's why it's like nobody is running the market. It's basically like humans are interacting and market is running on its own basically. Okay, so yeah, so this one, right? So I downloaded the 5-minute data. Let's run it on 5-minute. Yeah, it's like that's really good practice, you know. Get 1-2 good trades a day and then just like call it a day, you know, like for people who are leaving from the training, because like over trading is also a risk, you know. So yeah, but like I mean, bro, it's like you'll see over time, you know, it's the landscape's gonna change like really fast with crypto. Okay, because most of the money is gonna move on to crypto market, you know, forex, all this oil and this like war shit is happening. So you know, so we're gonna see another parabolic move later on, though not right now, but like later on. Yeah. So on 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes, right? Yeah. In 5 minutes, it didn't really perform good with the 4RR. Okay, now the thing that I'm speculating now here is because of the, hang on, let me change it to its original. Hang on, 0.0, and here it's like, okay, so for sell is like 1. Okay, yeah, it's performing way better in bigger time frame. I mean, like when you do it on like algorithmic trading, you know, everything comes into like bigger time frame. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah. Yeah, but the thing is, like, you saw that, right? Like when we deployed that thing, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, see, on 15 minutes it's making money, like, you know, it's making good money. Yeah, and with less drawdown as well. So the thing that I was telling, you know, so just to like trade it. quick trade strategy. So you got it right. Like this is just a beginning, bro. It's like we're gonna build a lot of shit together. I mean, yeah, you're gonna see. Just to like tell you guys perspective is like you haven't seen the whole thing about algorithmic trading. Yeah, I'm gonna show you on this channel for sure. Yeah, let's I'm gonna run it on 1:2 and we'll see. Okay, so quick trade this config. Yeah, man. You see this one, right? So this you can see the chart as well as like trade. You see these trades, right? I mean, there will be like winning, losing trade as well, but you can figure it out if it's like, you know, false positive or false negative. But the thing is like, once you like see this kind of like trade, you can know for sure that like after taking couple of trades, you can know that, okay, is it gonna work or not? Ah, yeah, that's really good. So you trade on like Forex? Oh, you told me it's just Indian stock market, right? Yeah, man, I mean, yeah, I can take a couple of sessions on like trading viewpoint script, you know, it's like that is also getting really good. You know, but the indicator that I would suggest is like, yeah, I'm gonna suggest you guys later couple of indicators like really fucking good. Yeah, so yeah, bro, this is what I was talking about, Hexon. You know, you can see this stuff, and like once you put like Telegram alert in it, it's like you can also get trade alerts on your mobile as well. So, you know, you can toggle Hakanashi. Yeah, so this is what I was like talking about, you know. Yeah, crypto is fucking crazy, yeah, for sure. Yeah, so see, this is what I was talking about. You know, in order to like build filter, you can just like see you're getting the signal here, right? Just wait 1 or 2 candle to get a green candle, you know, in Hakanashi. Once you get that green candle, yeah, just enter that trade, you know. Yeah, so that, and then like you will remove this kind of you know, noise. You guys want to see this thing? Let me know if you guys want to see me like, you know, remove this noise. Yeah, we will get rid of this noise, you know. Yeah, but I think we can pick it up from tomorrow as well, so that I can show you guys. I mean, we didn't really completed the optimization part, but I showed you how to like link it, you know. Sorry, yeah, that's why it's showing losses. Yeah, I mean, we can optimize it, you know, and see which one is good, because in optimization it really helps to get the best parameter, you know, for certain time frame. So yeah, Anyway guys, hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and this is just the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys everything. Yeah, it's in lower time frame, there's a lot of noise. Yeah, so yeah, so later on now I'm gonna teach you guys like trade management, all this stuff. So like taking partial exits, partial exits, like so you enter the trade here, and basically like there's like 3 target, 1 2 3. Come on man. Okay, and then like take 50% off there, another 25% there, another 25% there. So like you're just, and like as you're doing, you're like trailing up. So even if the market goes down, no, you protect yourself. So that's basically that's basically our like trade management technique. Okay, so we're gonna be learning this stuff, don't worry. I'm gonna teach you guys trade management, risk management, and also like portfolio construction, or like portfolio management stuff. So all this cool stuff, we're gonna do it together. So yeah, anyway guys, it's good seeing you guys again, and let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, anything, suggestions. Everything. This strategy, Hexon suggested it, we coded it. So if you guys have any strategy in your mind, just tell me. We're gonna code it, we're gonna hang out and like see the market and do some like live prediction. Okay, so hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.